In this video, we'll explore common challenges faced when automating code reviews with Claude and equip you with strategies to effectively overcome these obstacles, enhancing your automation workflow.
Did you know that automated code reviews can reduce human error by up to 40%? Welcome to our video on overcoming challenges in automating code reviews with Claude. Today, we dive into the world of code review automation, exploring the benefits, challenges, and solutions to streamline your development process. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable strategies to overcome common obstacles in automating code reviews with Claude, ensuring a more efficient and effective workflow. Getting started with Claude can be daunting due to its robust capabilities and initial setup requirements. Let's break down the learning curve. First, understand that Claude is a sophisticated tool designed to automate complex code review processes. While its potential is immense, the initial configuration and training can be challenging. It's crucial to allocate time for your team to familiarize themselves with Claude's interface and functionalities. Use resources like online tutorials and documentation to ease this process. Encouraging team feedback and creating a supportive environment will expedite the learning curve. Remember, mastering Claude takes time, but the payoff in efficiency and accuracy is well worth it.
One major challenge in automating code reviews is dealing with false positives and negatives. These occur when Claude misidentifies code issues, leading to unnecessary alerts or missed errors. Start by analyzing patterns in these inaccuracies. Adjust Claude's settings to better align with your project's coding standards. It's important to maintain a balance between automated and manual reviews, allowing human oversight to catch what automation might miss. Establish feedback loops where your team can report and refine Claude's performance over time. Learn from case studies where companies successfully reduced false positives and negatives, enhancing their automation's reliability. Every project is unique, and customizing Claude to fit your specific needs is crucial. Start by setting up project-specific rules that align with your coding standards and objectives. This customization allows Claude to provide more relevant feedback and reduces unnecessary alerts. Adjust Claude's algorithms to prioritize certain checks over others, based on your project's focus areas. Consistently incorporate team feedback to refine these customizations over time. This not only improves Claude's accuracy but also ensures it remains flexible to accommodate future project changes. A well-customized Claude adapts to your evolving needs, supporting your team's growth and innovation. For successful automation, securing team buy-in is essential. Without it, even the most advanced tools can fall short. Start by clearly communicating the benefits of using Claude, emphasizing how it will streamline workflows and reduce errors. Implement comprehensive training programs to ensure everyone is comfortable using the tool. Address any concerns openly, providing support and resources to ease the transition. Highlight success stories where teams have effectively adopted Claude, showcasing tangible improvements in their processes. By fostering an inclusive and supportive environment, you can ensure that your team embraces Claude with enthusiasm and commitment. Integrating Claude with your existing tools can further enhance your automation process. Begin by assessing Claude's compatibility with your current tech stack. Successful integration streamlines workflows, enabling seamless data exchange between tools. Avoid common pitfalls by thoroughly testing integrations before full implementation. This helps identify potential conflicts that could disrupt productivity. Maximize productivity by configuring integrations that automate repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on more strategic work. Look at real-world examples where companies have effectively integrated Claude with tools like GitHub, achieving significant efficiency gains. Proper integration of Claude will elevate your automation to new heights.
To keep your automated reviews relevant, maintaining updated criteria is crucial. Outdated criteria can lead to irrelevant feedback and reduce trust in automation. Establish a process for regular updates, involving your team to ensure comprehensive coverage of evolving coding standards. Use tools that automate part of the update process, freeing up resources and minimizing errors. Regular reviews and updates ensure that Claude continues providing valuable insights aligned with current best practices. The impact of consistently updated criteria is a more reliable and trusted automation process, driving better code quality and team confidence in the system. While automation is powerful, balancing it with manual oversight is essential. Manual reviews bring a human touch, catching nuances that automation might miss. Determine when to leverage human review, especially for complex or critical code changes. Combine the strengths of automation's efficiency with the depth of manual insights for a comprehensive review process. Train your team to enhance their manual review skills, ensuring they complement Claude's outputs effectively. Look at examples where teams have found the right balance, achieving higher accuracy and better outcomes. This synergy between man and machine leads to superior code quality and project success. Let's explore a case study of successful Claude implementation. XYZ Corp faced challenges with manual code reviews, leading to delays and inconsistencies. By implementing Claude, they streamlined their process, reducing review time by 60% and improving code quality. The key to their success was thorough training and phased integration. They involved their team in the customization process, ensuring that Claude met their specific needs. As a result, they experienced increased efficiency and team satisfaction. Lessons learned include the importance of gradual adoption and open communication. For those considering Claude, this case highlights the transformative potential of thoughtful implementation.
As we wrap up, let's recap the key strategies for overcoming challenges in automating code reviews with Claude. Remember, continuous learning and adaptation are vital for success. Whether you're starting with Claude or looking to refine your process, these insights can guide you to a more efficient workflow. We encourage you to share your experiences and strategies in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Together, we can master automation and elevate our coding practices.